NamJim, first thing you have to do the tamarind sauce. So the tamarind sauce you can go for the basically high heat, and then you have 200, you know what, from the tamarind sauce, 200 ml. Just put it right here. After you wait for tamarind sauce, is actually bring it to boil. Then you're gonna add 1/4 cup of fish sauce, or you can use soy sauce. This is for non-vegetarian, so we're gonna use fish sauce. Yeah. So fish sauce about one fourth cup. So you can use that type of fish sauce. And we're gonna bring it to boil again. Tamarind and fish sauce is already bring it to boil. It's already well incorporated, so you can smell like fish sauce. And then we're gonna add the palm sugar. Yeah. So palm sugar is So this is 1/4 cup of palm sugar. So 1/4 cup. Yeah. So then we're gonna break and the palm sugar. Okay. And then to get a little sour agent or to preserve this sauce, we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. 1 and 2, and it's gonna make like the palm sugar melting very fast. Okay, so now we have the sodium bicarbonate and white vinegar. And then last but not least, to balance the sweet, we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of white sugar. Yeah, and then reduce it, yeah, with the low heat for pretty much 3 to 5 minutes. One is thicker. Right now it's still like watery. So when it's thicker, then you can use this sauce. And now I'm going to show you.